Hi, I'm Kevin with Bike Case, a small, family-owned business in the heart of Wisconsin. I'd like to introduce you to a new and simple solution of how to mount your smartphone to your vehicle while driving.
There's a million reasons why everybody needs a smartphone car mount, including safety, accessibility, and clutter removal. Many phone mounts use unreliable suction cups or weak vent clips that don't fit or work properly on a dashboard. The only place they work is on the windshield, which creates an unsafe, obstructed view for the driver. The Bike Case Uni Car Mounts utilize your car vents, which are always conveniently located for the driver, saving space, providing accessibility, and safe, clear view driving. The Bike Case Uni Car Mount works on 90% of car vents and gets its stability by attaching to multiple vent flanges. The magnetic mount allows users to place the phone vertically or horizontally with one hand, and all its features are reachable and viewable. The universal plate and magnetic connection works on all phone models and provides a secure mount for all driving conditions. The Bike Case Uni Car Mount is the best choice for universal use, ease of installment, stability, one-hand operation, convenience, and most importantly, safety.
Thank you for your support. Below, you'll find a list of opportunities of how you can purchase the Uni Car Mount. You'll find packages that will include a sports pack, the family pack, and of course the solo pack. We are confident you're going to love this product, and thank you for your support.
What's going on, folks? It's TJ back with SpyTech. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the STI GL300 real-time GPS tracker. The GL300 is a compact, versatile real-time tracker that goes virtually anywhere, reporting location data with pinpoint accuracy so you can reliably keep track of people, vehicles, or assets. As you can see here, the GL300 is a small device. It's about the size of a matchbox, maybe a little bit larger than that. On the face, we've got our indicator LEDs, which shows the GPS signal strength and battery life, as well as the SOS button, which when pressed, gives out an instant notification of the device's location. On the top, we've got our main on-off button, and then on the side here, we've got our charging port, where you can attach it to the included wall adapter to keep your battery charged. With its compact size, long battery life, and multiple features, the GL300's tracking possibilities are endless. If you want to make sure your child is getting to school safely while you're driving to work, you can put the device inside a backpack pocket and receive text or email notifications when your child reaches school. Keep the device in a purse or computer case or even your luggage, and you'll be able to locate your property in the event of theft. And if you suspect your partner of cheating, put the tracker on the car or sneak it into a coat pocket to find out exactly where they've been going at night. Simply put, anything the GL300 fits inside or attaches to can be tracked. Now, the most important function of any GPS tracker is its ability to report its position with as much specificity as possible. The GL300 tracks with incredible accuracy. Using this device, you can locate your target down to within 15 feet, so you'll know exactly where it is at any given moment. It's also very easy to use. Now, once you've got the device in place, all you need to do to follow its movement is log into the SpyTech GPS tracking website using your favorite device and web browser. The tracking website has plenty of advanced features that you can tailor to meet your needs, including customizable alerts that send you cell phone or email notifications when they're triggered. For tracking vehicles, the device can easily be placed into a weatherproof magnetic case and attached to the bottom of the car, where it will not be found. If you're a business owner and want to know if your drivers are straying off their normal routes, you can use the tracking website to set up a geofence around these routes, and then you'll receive an alert as soon as those boundaries are crossed. Now, because the GL300 generally will not be plugged in while tracking, battery life is an important consideration. The unit features an impressive 2-week battery life, which you can monitor directly from the tracking website. But if you find the access and charging of the device to be a hassle and want to get even more out of your device, Spytek offers an extended life battery that lasts for about 6 months. Now, another benefit of the GL300 is that your monthly tracking subscription can be canceled and resumed at any time without any cancellation or reactivation fees. This means you can operate the device whenever you need to without worrying about long-term contract costs. For whatever you want to track, the GL300 offers discrete, precise location monitoring in a compact unit with lots of features and a lasting battery life. Alright, this has been a quick look at the STI GL300 real-time GPS tracker. If you'd like to learn more, remember our Spytek experts are always here to help you find the perfect device for your situation. Thanks so much for watching and take care.
No one would think of leaving their child behind in a burning hot car or a freezing cold car, but it's a tragedy that repeats itself time and time again.
My name is Michael Brownold, and I'm the CEO of Elifo.
And my name is Michael J., and I'm the president of Elifo.
For the past decade, we've been creating lifestyle devices enhancing quality of life for the whole family. We decided to design a low-cost solution that could possibly prevent children from being left behind.
It's called the eClip, and it attaches to the baby's car seat, a seat belt. Just attach the eClip and switch it on.
Using safe, low-energy Bluetooth communication and our Android or iOS smartphone app, eClip sounds an alarm if you accidentally go more than 15 feet from your car without removing your child or turning off the eClip.
eClip can also send a text message to your spouse, parents, or friend to remind them to take the baby out of the car.
eClip will also warn you if the temperature in the back seat is too high or low, ensuring it's comfortable and safe for your baby.
No smartphone? eClip comes with a Bluetooth eFob for your keychain. It will sound an alarm if you've left a baby in the car.
The eClip is expected to have a retail cost below $80, making it not just a necessary safety tool, but an affordable one as well.
The unique eClip app will be available via the Apple or Google Store, so anyone with a smartphone will be able to use it. We have a lot of experience with wellness technology.
Our products are in most US chain stores, including Walgreens, CVS, Duane Reade, and we're in Walmart.
So why are we on Kickstarter?
We are looking for your support to help cover the costs of product molds, software development, and marketing costs.
We already have interest from parents associations who are keen to get access to this new and innovative product.
So join us, because together we can create a low-cost solution that could put an end to these tragedies. Thank you.